In this video, we'll list 5 benefits of learning how to invest in stocks. After reading it, you'll be convinced that this skill is worth learning. So keep watching this video till the end. Let's start with the definition of stock investment. Stock investment is buying and holding of a share in publicly traded companies, with the anticipation of earning a profit from the increase in their value. When you invest in stocks, you become a partial owner of the company and receive a portion of its profits. You must be wondering what makes stock investment the best way to make riches. First thing first, you can make money even when the market is down. You can create a steady stream of income by investing in stocks that pay dividends. You can increase your wealth over time by reinvesting your dividends and capital gains. You can diversify your portfolio by investing in different types of stocks. You can protect yourself from inflation by investing in stocks that pay a higher rate of return than traditional savings accounts. Stocks have consistently beaten inflation rates, meaning your money will grow over time if you invested in stocks. When you invest in stocks, you're becoming a part of the ownership of a company. You can reinvest your dividends to buy more stocks and compound your earnings. Stocks provide a level of liquidity that other investments don't offer. You have control over when and how you sell your stocks, giving you the ability to manage your risk. So much about the benefits of stock investment. Let's see how the stock market works. This is how a stock investment works.